In this video,
we will learn how to adjust voice chat volume in Fortnite. In order to adjust your voice chat volume in Fortnite, firstly you need to open up your game and head to the profile section from the top right hand side of your screen. From here, go to the settings menu. After coming to the settings menu, just go to the tab beside video, which is the audio tab. Under the volumes tab, you will find the voice chat volume adjustment scroll. Now set the scroll to whatever level you prefer. After setting it to the required level, click on apply, then hit back. So now after you get into the game and any of your party members or team members are using the voice chat, you will hear them according to the level you have set and enjoy the game. So this is how you can easily adjust voice chat volume in Fortnite. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.